So today is a very special day for me. Why? Because first of all, there are three eminent doctors are here, and with my painting, and that painting is depicting various art forms of India and 28 states. It is amazing that we have such beautiful art form in India. And when we are collaborating together and making one very nice project which is called Rang De Neela, I am really very happy to have all three of them here. And welcome to my center and welcome to this art project. So since I am here with doctors and they are specializing in diabetology, and if I say that I have no issues of sugar, I am absolutely perfect in health, I have no diabetes and metabolism is perfect. But my sister had diabetes due to certain medical conditions. So she is no more of course now, but what I was thinking that since you all are here, doctor, I can take this opportunity and ask you some questions if you permit me. So Dr. Thacker, I would like to ask that my sister had, I have no issues, but if in future I get, by chance, so what and how this is dealt with?
So thank you for inviting us to your lovely studio, and if I may say in common parlance, under the chhatra chaya of this lovely peacock, you've asked a very sweet question because it pertains to a sweet patient and a sweet diabetic answer. Remember, diabetes is a lifestyle disorder. I am not referring to the type 1 diabetes where you are inborn with a deficiency of the insulin, but most of diabetes is lifestyle, what we call as cardio-metabolic lifestyle disorders, and these are all man-made. And as you rightly said, you are in good health, you have no issues. Most cardio-metabolic disorders are known as non-communicable diseases, NCD, and that is the plague of modern medicine. You know, you eat, you indulge, you engorge, you resist, you abstain. It's all a state of mind. How much to eat, how much you like, when to stop, when to give up. So that is one state of mind. Having eaten, do you digest? Do you make an effort to digest? Do you do some physical activity? You know, these states of mind finally translate into cardiometabolic disorders related to salt, sugar and butter, hypertension, hyperlipidemia and diabetes. Now, diabetes, since you specifically asked, is not a habit disorder only of the modern age. It was discovered way back, madhumeya, honey in the urine. Besides Morarji Desai, who used it as a tonic, scientists went to every extreme to detect it. People saw that after certain patients passed urine in the open, ants came crawling. So diabetes is lifestyle, you keep eating, you don't burn it, and then you have insulin resistance. In your case, as you rightly said, you are in good health. If you keep a disciplined approach, now I don't want to make you live your life of a robo. Atlu j khawanu, itna nahi khana, utna karna. All of us are human beings. You indulge, but you have to be circumspect. You have to learn exercise. If food is important, exercise is more important. You have to avoid, you can't eat chutney, achar, farsand every day, but you can eat on Sundays, which I look forward to today. Similarly, if you are careful with your activities, today sleep is the most important thing. Cardio-metabolic disorders arise because of bad lifestyle. You don't exercise, you don't plan your life, you don't sleep, you drink too much tea, coffee, you try and meet deadlines, and you have vices. You work hard the whole day, you don't eat healthy at all, you engorge and grab something, and then you go and have alcohol. And then you smoke because your project is not complete. That's lifestyle. So all this adds to it. The hormones pushing, the nerves being jangled, it's mind over body. And for how long can mind over body win? It is when the loss occurs of the body and the mind that the body takes over. The body says, I'm going to accumulate the sugar, I'm going to accumulate the salt, એટલે blood pressure. Then the guy comes with high cholesterol because he's eating anything and everything. You must learn to pick and choose every facet of life. You have painted an Indian painting. Now you can't become a specialist in Western, contemporary, Eastern. You have chosen. What you have chosen, you must try and perfect. So in your case, you're looking fit. If you do your regular exercise, if you eat prudently, you must eat your gulab jambus, you must eat your jalebis, but you must get down 2 bus stops before your house and walk. You must do the Indian form of exercise, which is the best, and that is yoga. You don't need to buy a gym membership to go to yoga. You don't need to buy machines to do yoga. So if you, and you must sleep well. And most importantly, you must do what you are doing now, smile. Be happy. If you are happy, the mind wins over the body and you will not get diabetes. So this is what my message to you is.
Yes, so Dr. Sahib, you said that keep smiling and be happy, so diabetes will not follow me at least. That's what I get the message. And I tell you that the happiness is something which is surrounding me everywhere. And my painting, I am painting for last 45 years and teaching for last 40 years. So that is the happiness. Where my students are happy, I am happy. So that happiness is always there about art. And I have pets, that is cats and dogs in my house since I was child. So I have grown up with animals, and animals bring lot of happiness in my life, lot of happiness. There is sacrifice also from my side. I have to do a lot of sacrifice also, like sometimes I cannot go to certain places because they are alone. But the happiness they give me, and I run before they get into some naughtiness. So I keep running after them. They run after me, so that running is there because of them, so my exercise is there.
So this is what is called a stress buster.
Yes.
And this is called the mind over the body perfect approach. Of late, metabolic disorders are now being tackled with this twin approach of body and mind. And we shall discuss this approach sooner than later as how this came about, and yours is a classic example.
So this is the happiness potent for me, my art and my animals. Sir, I am so happy that you have endorsed my happiness potent.